So you're interested in the Sea Ray 26 SLX outboard because you are looking for the top of the line, the best fit and finish quality bow rider in the 26-foot class. Well, you've come to the right place. The 26 SLX is the best boat in that category. Not only does it have that deep V design and that performance DNA that you get with the Sea Ray SLX line, but you get all of the amenities that you wouldn't get elsewhere. Let's check out some of the things that makes the 26 SLX my favorite boat in the category and might help you make a better decision. Let's start in the back of the boat. This thing is outfitted with a Mercury 300 Verado V8 that's going to give you all of the performance that you're looking for, paired with all the reliability and the durability with the low maintenance costs that everyone loves. One of my favorite features as you step on the 26 SLX is this port side area for storage and access to your batteries. This storage compartment is massive. As you look down through there, you can see that it is over 2 feet deep, and it also spans over 10 feet in length, which means if you have wakeboards, paddle boards, water skis, it all can fit in there. They even line it with sea deck. That way you're not going down there and scratching and scuffing the finished gel coat fiberglass. Another thing I absolutely love is the sun pad in general. The sun pad is spacious. You have cup holders on each side. You have the backrests. You have the cubby for your electronics. You have access to USB ports and Fusion stereo split. That way you don't have to use your phone to change the music, to change the volume. That also means that you don't have to get up and go to the head unit on the dash itself either. Something else I really like before we make our way up is we have a built-in beverage cooler on this back of the boat. When you're out there at anchor, swimming and hanging out, you don't have to trek all the way back in to the cockpit area just to get a drink, keeping the salt water and the sand out of the living spaces. Before we make our way into the cockpit of the Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard, I like to point out a couple of things. One, if you bring young children or pets on board, we have a door here that makes it that much harder for them to make the way back towards the engine while underway. Another thing I like to point out is that we have another in-deck compartment that is self-draining that you can fill with ice, beverages, or even food. I also like to point out that Sea Ray also lines the top of the gunnels with sea deck for traction and safety purposes. If you're like me and you like adventuring on your boat and going and docking and dining at different restaurants, sometimes they don't have floating docks. So that means you have to climb up on the gunnel and climb up onto the dock. This makes it so that you're not slipping as easy. Lastly, I love how deep these boats are. You step down into the cockpit. It is another safety feature for those children. This is hip height on me. It makes it that much harder for somebody to accidentally fall over the side. Now let's go check out the cockpit on this 260 SLX. Something that 26-foot bow riders don't have anywhere else but Sea Ray is an extendable sunshade that goes over your sun pad back there, so that if you are just trying to catch a couple of Z's and get some rest, you have shade when you need it. Now, let's check out the cockpit on the Sea Ray 26 SLX. You are greeted with what you expect from Sea Ray, a living room style, living room layout that is pleasing to the eye, but maximizes space and seating. So, as we make our way in, we have a nice large L-shaped seater coming off of the port side here. We have plenty of storage underneath the seats as well. On the starboard side sofa here, we have more storage underneath. This also has a door right below. That way, if you're going to use it as cooler storage, you can get a nice igloo, you can get a nice Arctic or a Yeti, and slides right in. So that way, you're not looking at an ugly cooler all day. I also love what they did with the captain's and the co-pilot's chair here. They are swivel, they slide back and forth. That way, if you are hanging out at the dock, drinking some cocktails, or at the anchor, just talking and conversing, you can join the party. Everybody is facing one another, okay? We also have some index storage on the center line here. A ton of space in here. You can fit all of your extra covers, water toys. This boat also does come with a water toy inflator. That way, if you do like to go hang out at anchor and you like to make some rafts, there is a inflator on board. Nice part is as well is that we have a nice large head compartment on board the 26 SLX as well. It has a holding tank, also has a sink. And then once you come back out, we have additional storage on top of the head door here. A little glove box that you can put your phone, your wallet, your keys if you are going to dock and dine, and it is lockable as well, so you can protect your valuables. When you want to swap back and get ready to drive again, you have two levers right on the side of the chair there, which makes it really easy to manipulate and move the chair. Slide it all the way back. You do have a flip-up bolster as well. That way, if you do need a seat over the windshield, that's not a problem. Once you take a look at this dash, there is no going back. Nobody makes a more pretty, beautiful, well laid out dash than Sea Ray. You have digital throttle shift on this boat, which makes maneuvering super easy. You also have active trim that's going to control the angle of your engine to keep you at the most performing angle and the most efficient. We have our tactile buttons on the right side of the steering column there with control on the windlass, your wipers, and your running lights. And then we also have two 9-inch Simrad NSX displays, which will also give you control of some of your ambient lighting. It'll give you control of your power tower motor that goes up and down, your windlass, and you will also have auto routing capabilities in there as well. Another thing I love that Sea Ray does is not only do they put their steering wheel on a tilt to make you the most comfortable as possible, but they really dress up this dash here. The thing that they do that I love personally as a captain is that they make these little grooves in here so that you can actually set your phone in there, and when you are running, it's not just sliding around like you're used to. We also have this Fusion Stereo head unit that is also touchscreen, but you can control it all the way back on the swim platform as well. As you make your way up to the bow, you are greeted with a nice door here with dedicated trash bin. You do not see this on many 26-foot boats. Paired with that, you have even more storage space. So once you come up here, you flip up this starboard side chase. The whole thing pops up, and there you see your dedicated storage for your table, as well as a bow filler cushion that completely fills in this entire bow area to create one massive sun pad. I know this is most people's favorite place to hang out while they're on the boat. So Sea Ray also knew that, and they made the seats very wide, very long, with fold-down armrests, leather-wrapped handles up forward as well. But what I love is that not only did they hide the speakers behind the upholstery, they built in cup holders, and they brought the padding all the way up the bulkhead. That way, you're not getting bruised. This 26 SLX is also outfitted with an electric windlass, also outfitted with a freshwater washdown, and these two grommets here are for a bow shade. If you have any questions about the Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard, give us a call or come on down, check it out for yourself, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.